Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up on CapCut. To begin, open the CapCut application on your mobile device. Look for the Me or Profile icon, typically located in the bottom right corner of your screen, and tap it. This action will take you to the Sign In or Sign Up page where you can choose how you wish to create your new account. There are several convenient options available for you to get started quickly. Once you are on the sign-up page, you will see various methods to create your account. You can easily sign up using your existing Google account, which offers a quick and seamless process. Another popular option is to link your TikTok account, allowing for integrated content creation. Alternatively, you can use a standard email address to register, providing a traditional sign-up experience. Some users might also find options for Facebook or Apple ID, depending on their region. After selecting your preferred sign-up method, follow the clear on-screen prompts to input your necessary details. If you chose to register with an email address, you will be asked to create a strong, unique password for your new account. It is crucial to verify your account, often through a confirmation link sent to your email or a code to your phone number. Finally, review and agree to CapCut's terms of service and privacy policy to complete your registration. Congratulations! Once your registration is complete and you are successfully signed in, you gain immediate access to CapCut's extensive suite of video editing tools. You can now explore countless templates, apply creative effects, and add popular music to your projects. Start crafting and sharing your unique videos with the vibrant CapCut community. Your new account also allows you to save all your work as drafts and conveniently access them across multiple devices, ensuring your creative flow is never interrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.